And now we will import data to our demo database that we just created. Okay, so import is successful and all data is here. Our demo database is packed with data that we can use for testing. So now just we have to transfer the first. Let's connect to the server with FileZilla so that we can transfer our files to the server. GraphQL demo, let's name it. And our IP will be the in place of host, and we have to select SSH file transfer protocol, and logon type will be normal, user will be root, and password will be the password that we have set. So now it should connect to the our server. Yes, it's connected, and we will create a new directory and name it GraphQL server. In this directory we will transfer our application. Okay, so our application has been transferred successfully. So we now need to install all the dependencies of our application. Okay, I think here we have lost the connection. We will cd to our new directory GraphQL server, where we have our application, and we will install the dependencies using npm install command. So our GraphQL application is getting installed on our newly created server. Okay, so installation is successful, and now we can run our application. So we will run our application in background using the pm2 process manager that we have installed. So for command to run our application in background is pm2 start npm, and we have to use the start option. So let's fire this command. So you can see our application is running in background now. So we can test our application by going to the URL like this. So we just have to replace the IP, and our IP is okay. So we got the query interface that we were looking for. So that means our GraphQL application is installed successfully, and to test it further we will go ahead and we will use a query. Okay, I think we have to do some small changes, like we have to use the correct database name so that our server is able to connect to database. So make those changes, and so that we can use the query and get our application ready for testing. So let's make the changes. The password for MySQL is this one, and the username is root, and the database name is demo database. Let me confirm this. That's demo database. So let's update the files. And now let's run our query. So our query is working. We are able to make the query and fetch data. So query is returning right data. So our GraphQL server is set up successfully. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please do subscribe to our newsletter on our website, and also please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you make some donations it will be really helpful for us. So thank you guys so much, and have a nice day.